I challenged myself to make the cutest pair of baby booties with no money, no sewing machine, and yes, I did it. Now I'm going to show you how I did. Hi friends! Today I'm going to show you how to make these adorable, soft baby booties using simple materials you probably already have at home. Perfect for beginners and no sewing machine needed. Because here's the truth, creativity doesn't wait for perfect conditions. You don't need fancy tools to get started. You just need to start. What about the pattern? The free printable pattern is linked with this video. I will also show you how to create your own patterns anytime, anywhere. So stick around. This video is perfect for no budget crafters, for dreamers, makers, and small business starters. What you will need? Since we are doing this with zero budget, let's find what we already have at home. You will need a piece of fabric, could be pajama pants, they work great. I have these cotton pajama pants that I no longer use anymore, so they are perfect for this challenge. Scissors, pins or clips, needle and thread. I'm using thick thread so you can really see the stitches. Optional, marker or chalk, ruler. Go to my description and print the free pattern. If you have trouble, email me at this address and I will send it to you. Okay, we are ready to get started. First, print and cut out the pattern. I like to trace my paper pieces onto cardboard to reuse them later. You can do the same. It's a great way to start your own pattern library. Take your fabric, pin the paper pieces down, and cut carefully. If you are not confident with scissors, trace the outline first using chalk or a pen. Here, a pro tip. I am cutting double layers so the inside and outside of the booties have the same design. And don't forget, you need one for each foot. Okay, time to understand the pieces. I will give some names to the parts of the boots. The sole, bottom of the foot, the toe box, the front part of the shoe that covers and protects your toes, the heel counter, back of the booty, the upper, goes over the top of the foot and ankle. Sewing time. I will start by joining the sole to the sides. I am using a simple blanket stitch to hand sew all the pieces together. It looks lovely, even by hand, and it's easy to learn. If you don't know anything about stitches, this is a slow motion example about what you need to do. Stop this video as many times as you need until you get it. As I told you, I want to show how you can make these beautiful booties with no money. So in this case, you need to use your hands to put all parts together. I choose this stitch because even when you are sewing by hand, it looks nice at the end. It's also the reason I'm using this kind of thread, because it's obvious you want to show the stitches, and this thick thread looks good. Go slow, enjoy the process. Every stitch adds love. If it's not perfect, that's okay. This is your first version. It's meant to teach you. If you are a beginner and are doing this with me, the thickness of the thread doesn't really matter. Just take whatever thread you have. The point is do it and learn the process. Then, if you like it, go for better materials. We are making something beautiful together. Can you see? We are building from zero. I need you paying attention how the parts are looking together, step by step, to hold the shape. Go slow. Enjoy the rhythm of hand sewing. It's calming. When I'm doing this, my mind blows. I start to think, what else can I do to improve this pattern? How can I convert this in something that I can sell? And yes, you can think in these baby booties as a gift, a Christmas decoration, booties for dolls, you name it. I know you have more ideas. I want to hear more from you. Write them in the comments section. How can we change this pattern to something else? And we can try your ideas in my next video. Once everything is sewn, you will start to see the shape come to life. See this as your prototype. Maybe next time you will improve the fit or try a new fabric. But this version is special. It's your beginning. I highly recommend you take some time doing this. It's really easy after you do it the first time. But you need to have some kind of calm doing it. If you like it, keep going. Try something else. I have some ideas that I will show you in other videos. You can find dozens of videos about baby shoes, absolutely beautiful. These videos are really good, but somehow I didn't catch the whole thing. I need to go step by step. Even the little things that looks silly to say, well, I need them, because once you learn everything, you can improve whatever are you hand making. It helps you to refine your expertise and your mind to new unique ideas. It's my technique with everything that I do, and it's also my regular process of learning something new. Also, I need to have enough patience to complete any challenge. And because I know I'm learning, I always make sure I am not wasting expensive materials or resources. Especially because when you are a beginner, you always destroy materials. It is what is called the learning curve. On the other hand, it helps you to make sure this is something you really like before any big investment. First, you need to feel passion about your product. learn how to do it, learn about materials, also new ways to do the same with your own style, and then invest in materials or tools and try again. In this case, I love it. So I'm very sure I'm going to make another video improving this pattern. You are looking how the baby booties start getting the real shape of a shoe. When you finish the first baby boot, repeat the same for the other boot of the foot. And just like that, you make your first shoes. It's so easy and possible for everyone. Remember, you can add optional features like buttons, bows, or soft soles. Just remember, if they are for a real baby, avoid small pieces that could come loose. How I made my own pattern. Let me share a little story. I was searching for a free pattern online, watched so many videos, but nothing really clicked. Most used sewing machines and moved way too fast. Then one day I was folding my baby's old onesie and saw the stitching around the feet, and boom, the idea hit me. I found a 3-year-old cotton onesie with legs. I carefully took it apart and traced the shapes. And guess what? It worked. I made my own pattern from something I was about to throw away. Patterns are everywhere. You just have to look. So every time that you want to learn something, start from the basics, from scratch. I want to show you something that's not just a craft. It's a mindset. Sometimes we wait for the perfect moment, for the right equipment, for the budget. But what if we stopped thinking, waiting, and start doing? Prototyping is about trying, testing, building. Build something real out of what seems like nothing. And today, we are doing just that. If you ever thought, I do love to create, but I don't have the money, I am here to tell you, you don't need much. You need your hands, your curiosity, and a bit of courage. This is your sign to begin, because creativity doesn't ask for perfection. This is what I have to say. Prototype, try, fail, improve. That's how everything begins. Just like I did, you can do it too. Keep in mind, you can do things. If you have a little family member or someone who can find an onesies for you for free, don't hesitate. It's gonna help you a lot to understand the whole process by yourself. Not just that, open your mind. When I say this is how you can find patterns for everything you want, is the best way to get any pattern around you. If you pay attention, they are everywhere. What you can do next is improve that pattern or any other that you want to reply, and with little changes, decorations, mix colors, fabrics, stamp your own style. It becomes in your own design. Everything starts like this. Give yourself the permission to blow your mind with ideas. That is my real purpose in this channel, and I hope you like it. Now, let's talk. What can we do to improve this baby booty pattern? Can we turn it into something else? Maybe doll shoes, ornaments, or party favors. Leave a comment with your ideas. I'd love to try them in a future video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.